Hi there, welcome back to the new video. And in this video, let's go through the new type of chart, which is a line chart. So line chart, if you have seen in web pages or in the reports, it's basically conveys the trend information. That means the data which has been recorded over a period of time so that you can easily visualize and understand whether something is an uptrend or lower trend or it's stagnant in terms of growth or the number or the metric that you are looking into. So how to create the chart is, first of all, click on this particular line chart, as I have got the box, a sample box for it, in which I need to add the dimension and measure. So the dimension should always be some sort of a date. So here in this case we will pick the order date, and the measure is something which is here in this case is sales. So now you can see a simple line chart has been created. What I need to do is expand a little bit to see all of the years. So it's basically the year information or the yearly trend which clearly communicate that from 2014 to 2015 our sales were lower or going in a downtrend, but after that in 2016 and 2017 it has changed the way and moving in the uptrend. Now this is like for overall company. Let's say you want to look at different sort of product category. So you have the product category over here. You just need to click over here, check this, and you will see the different product categories about their respective growth so that you can understand where most of the growth has happened, which is basically taking the growth of entire company up. So in this case, this technology and office supplies is really growing high, and furniture is like not that high growth, but a moderate level of growth. So apart from customer category, let's say you want to see it by the customer segment over here. So what you can do is uncheck this and enable this. This basically shows in a different perspective about how each of the customer segment is moving ahead and taking the overall growth of the company on the upper direction. So this way you have a lot of different ways in which you can create a chart. At the end of the day, you will choose one or the other type of the chart. That means either by product category or by segment or the dimension based on the business that you are in, and you will have the chart over here. In future videos we will see how we can dynamically choose the dimensions and all that sort of things, but for now it's important to understand that this chart basically communicates the trend information, and with the additional dimension, that means apart from order date, which is a base dimension to show the periodical or the time related data, you can add one more dimension so that you have the breakup of trend to clearly understand what are those categories which are contributing a lot and that categories that are contributing less. So that's about the line chart I wanted to discuss in this video, and I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.